Hello, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Thomas Stern Eliot. T.S. Eliot was born in St. Louis, Missouri on September 26, 1888. Eliot was born into a very wealthy family, and his family was also very religious. His family is what gave him such a strong religious background. T.S. Eliot grew up Unitarian. Eliot's grandfather had founded a Unitarian church. Later on in Eliot's life, he would become a part of the Anglo-Catholic Church. In Eliot's writing, a huge proportion of it were influenced by his religious beliefs. T.S. Eliot's two most famous pieces of literature were the Four Quartets and The Wasteland. The Four Quartets are a compilation of poems that are about different times in Eliot's life. The Burnt Norton was the first quartet. It is primarily about how Eliot wishes he could escape reality and experience redemption. The second quartet is East Corker, which was a continuation of the Burnt Norton. The third quartet is The Dry Salvages, and it is about Eliot revisiting his own personal self-struggles. The fourth quartet is about time, perspective, humanity, and salvation. T.S. Eliot's other famous piece of literature is The Wasteland. The Wasteland is about all the negative changes in the modern world, that ranges from sex to the war, etc. The Wasteland is highly considered to be the main poem of the modernist era. The Four Quartets and The Wasteland had everyone think about life completely differently. All of that influence came from the man we know as Thomas Stern Eliot.